Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this particular video, I want to talk about some of the stock that will be on my watch list for tomorrow Monday and also for this week, because I feel they will run hard in these coming days. And I'm recording this video around 10 o'clock Eastern time, and today is Sunday night, so it will be really quick. I will just share the chart so that you know this can be a runner tomorrow. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my Patreon community, where becoming a Patreon, you will get access to my Discord channel where I share a lot of trade ideas for day trading and swing trading and option trading. So give a try and you can always chat with me. Also, if you do not have Discord, no problem. You can also join my YouTube community by just clicking on the join button, and you will get access to the trade idea support resistance. So for each alert, it comes with a chart, so you know how to trade, when to get in, get out, this kind of thing. So anyway, give it a try. If you don't like it, this is fine. It costs only few dollars for the entire month. So anyway, we're gonna start with ticker symbol AEHR, and this thing ran a lot last Friday. And why not? Because Thursday, when it came up with a earning, I alerted on my community, and you can see that they raised their annual guidance approximately 80% on the strength of semiconductor test. So it was a beautiful earning. And most probably you know about the earning. If not, you can see the net sales were 5.6 million, up 181%. Big number, right? And also if you scroll through, you will see, and the price reflected that good news. So it was around these areas. So after market it went up, pre-market came down again. It was pushing and pushing. Even Friday after hour it went almost 17.26. Now it is trying to make a new high, and we do not know when is the new high. And I just want to wait for pre-market, because you can see it has ran a lot. Lots of volume came Friday morning. Now the volume is time, so that is why I have these blue lines here, so you know when to get in. So in pre-market, if you see the price came down, and if it is bouncing off, then you know which is the support. So it tried to break the 17.3 area. It couldn't, came down. Maybe it will bounce off from that 15.8 area, or if not, it might come back to 15. I'm not predicting for these to come back around 13.4, but who knows, it was the previous support. So anyway, we have to keep an eye on this particular one. The next one is ticker symbol NADT, and this thing has been also doing really good. On Friday we alerted something around in the morning. It was a nice trade, went up. But why I'm so excited, because if you look here, you will see that from here, if it breaks, it will really go higher and higher, because it was acting, the 0.72, 0.73, this area was acting like a resistance for some time. And if this thing can break, I think it can go towards 90 cents. And after 90, it has $1, 1.1. Look at the chart. If I zoom out, look at the chart. So how it was moving, right? It came down, spike came down, spike came down. So it might pop a lot, but again, make sure you are doing day trading, because I do not want you to sit at the top of the mountain. So keep that in an eye. But if it goes higher, if you see more volume, definitely this thing will blow towards 90 cents or $1. Two other videos I made on tickers this weekend, and if you want to check more, then please go to my playlist. So the ticker symbol is CEI and the ticker symbol is MRIN. So for the CEI, we were predicting a breakout, and that was the pull flag we had, and it broke out, and the alert was around to get in around 1.8. so it did a nice run from 1.8 to 2.3, and again came down and currently testing the 2.1 support. So very important area. If pre-market it opens higher and it can hold 2.1 as a support, I think this thing can go back up and it will retest 2.3 and 2.6. Other than that, few other areas we have maybe something around $2 as a support, and after 2 we have 1.8. Now if I zoom out, look at the chart, it has lots of room, right? But instead of 1 hour, if I move on a, let's say, 4-hour chart, what you can see that on a particular day it is squeezed, a lot comes down, a lot comes down, a lot comes down. Again, do day trading, do not hold or do not buy at the top, because if it goes down, it will take a lot of months just to go up again. please check my previous video. I talked a lot about CEI. The other one is ticker symbol MRIN, and if you do not know, it also had a nice run from $2. It went to $27, came down, and again it is trying to push higher. So again, please go to my watch playlist and see the video, and I'm predicting it might run even higher. Again, I'm predicting it will go up again, go up, bounce, go up, bounce. So we need to see how the volume is coming. If we see more volume, this thing will run. Recently it moved from $5 to $10, so almost you have doubled your money if you are playing with this particular one. The next ticker symbol would be TATS. This is another one. People are very excited for TATS. So look what is happening. So it was trying to break this 8.5, 8.7, this area, right? You can see it goes up, comes down, nice swing trading option, but finally it is now pushing higher and higher. So what happened? So on end of Thursday it was here, so it found a support around 9.9 pre-market after our 9.9, and again Friday it pushed all the way close to 11.8, came down, and now I see some red candles. So again it depends, because it was Friday. As long it can maintain the area of 10.5, and if there is more volume, this thing can push again and test $12. Other than that, it might come down and retest 9.9. You have to watch pre-market and the volume before you jump to any trade. And again, for this one, look at the daily chart. What do you see? What do you see here, right? So it is moving nicely, going higher. So maybe on a daily chart you can see the RSI is really high, so there might be this time to get down. It might come down, then again there might be a push. But look at the daily volume. Each and every day more and more volume is coming. So if you see it came down, maybe just enter with a tight stop loss. Maybe you enter around 10.5, or maybe enter around 9.9, and then you ride the wave and make some money. So anyway, so this is ticker symbol TATS. The next one is ticker symbol TWTR, which is for Twitter. And just looking at the chart, I find that it was having some hard time to break the resistance around 66.4 area, and currently it is $67. So if the market is good, most probably it will run towards 69-70 area, or maybe $71-72 area, or it might come down and bounce up that 66.5 and it will push. Watch for the price action. If it comes down, you can just play with the put option. In that case, from 66 it might come back and it will retest 63-64 area. Or if it is moving nicely, you can try a weekly call option with a 70 strike price, so just make some money on the movement. The last one I want to talk about Tesla. So few news came on Tesla. Most probably it will be a runner, but looking at the chart you can see that it was moving up on an uptrend. And the good thing is, if you know the chart very well, you can make day trading or swing trading, because it goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. Overall, very nice price action, and it was having some hard time to break the resistance of, I would say, 760, and finally it broke 760. You look at the volume, big volume came, it broke 760, and now it was more. So if it can break around 778, 780, I think Tesla can run towards $800, or at least around 790. Then might be a pullback. But looking at the chart, it is looking really nice. Look at the chart. If it goes to 800, it will definitely have a pullback, because 800 was a previous support. After 800 there is more room to run. But for now, if you are playing with call option, then just look at the areas. If you see a pullback, you can play with a put option. Maybe after here it will come pullback, it will retest 761, 765 area. So lots of things depends on the pre-market and the overall market condition. Do not be greedy. Always look at the overall market condition. Look at SPY, right? It came down, fall below the trend line, went up, and it is moving sideways. So this week can be choppy. Lots of things depends on China, what is happening in China. It can again make a pullback. Just look at SPY, look at the big ones and trade. So anyway, wanted to make this video super quick. Hopefully you will like it, and if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, give a try with my Patreon community and become a part of the Discord. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.